everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene from stampwithchar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Valentine's Day, you guys, is right around the corner. So today's video, I wanted to show you how to create these adorable little sucker holders. Super cute, super easy to put together. So we're going to flip the camera and I'm going to show you how to create these. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. You can either click that red subscribe button or that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, click on it, subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss my next video. Click that little notification bell, that will notify you every time I upload a video. Any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. And if you click on it, that will take you over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over to my website, www.stampwithchar.com. We're going to flip the camera and we are going to get creating on these adorable little suckers. So this is the project we're going to make today. I'm going to share with you how we create these. They're super easy, you guys. I did a video when I first started making videos about how to create these in a bigger size, which I will have at the top of the screen. If you hit this I card right here, that will take you over to the video where I did a bigger size. Super easy, minimal supplies. We don't even need adhesive, only for the hearts. So I'm going to show you how we create this. My designer series paper today is a 4x4 piece of designer series paper, and this paper comes from the All My Love. Beautiful designer series paper. I have some hearts that I went and die cut, and the hearts are from the Be Mine stitched framelit dies. You're going to need a bone folder, and you're going to need your 1/8 inch handheld punch. And all you're going to do, now the stamp set that I used, it says for you, my friend. Cute little stamp. These I'm making for my son's school, so I needed a few of them. I went to the dollar store, grabbed a packet of these very cherry heart suckers, and they were $1 and you got 22, but I didn't need 22. So I'm going to share with you how we did this. So all you're going to do, you're going to pick your paper the side you want, and you're going to fold the paper from point to point. You're then going to take one corner and fold it over to meet to the other side. You're going to take this corner and fold this over. And this is like an origami type holder. And now you're going to take this piece and fold that down. And that, my friends, is all there is to the little pouch. You're going to come in with the handheld punch, making sure you're in the middle, and you are just going to do it this way. You are just going to take out a small sliver on the bottom. Do you see that? Little sliver you're going to take out, and that is going to be for the lollipop stick to go through. Now what I wanted to do was I wanted it to look a little clean at the top, so I folded my paper and I just did a basic fold, nothing fancy, but I just wanted it to look a little nice from the top. That's going to go in like so. Super easy, you guys. What's nice is that it didn't require any adhesive. So you can make a bunch of these for your kids' school, which that's what my intention was for, because I have a bunch of things that I'm going to be doing up. So there's a whole lot of different little small elements that I'm going to be sticking into the entire package. So that is it, my friends. You're just going to come in with a little adhesive and you're going to stick one side of the heart. You're going to stick it off however you want. There's no right or wrong way, which is perfect. You're then going to come, you're going to add a little dollop of glue. And that is all there is to it. How stinking cute. Thank you so much for watching my video today, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. I do love hearing from everybody. And I hope to see you back here on Friday. I've got a great tip to share with you. You're not going to want to miss it. Take care.